Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Erica, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing a Thanksgiving recipe with you, and it is my Thanksgiving stuffing. In my husband's opinion, it is the best stuffing he has ever had. Today's video is also going to be a collaboration with some amazing women here on YouTube. First up is April from April Newly Me. We also have Nicole from For the Love of Peyton, Jessica from Just Living Life, and Evita from But It's Vegan. Make sure to go over to their channels. I know that they are preparing some really amazing dishes and you don't want to miss out. Let's go ahead and get started with my recipe. Sausage is one of the main secret ingredients in my stuffing. I had to go with the hot sausage only because that's all that was available at my Walmart. It wasn't too spicy, it was fine, but you can definitely use the regular sausage. I'm going to be cooking this in my cast iron pan. Cast iron cooking is life. I promise if you use cast iron, you will not want to go back to traditional pans. Now that my sausage is almost cooked up, I'm going to be adding in about 3/4 of a cup of chopped celery and about 1/4 of a cup of red onion. I feel like the celery and onion really work well in this dish and make it a lot more savory. Now that my sausage and veggies are nice and sauteed, I'm going to be adding in stovetop. Yes, I'm adding in stovetop. I am not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm just trying to make it better. So I had some water boiling on the side in my water kettle. I like to use boiling water in any of my dishes just to help speed up cooking time. I'm also going to be adding in about 3 tablespoons of butter before I toss in my stuffing. I'm going to be giving this a good mix and then I will be removing it from the heat. The breading and the stuffing cooks really fast with the heat of the boiling water, and I definitely do not want it to burn. The last ingredient in my stuffing is craisins. My husband loves this combination of stuffing. It's kind of like a sweet with a salty type flavor. I'm going to throw these cranberries in and then I will be mixing it into the stuffing with a fork just because I kind of want to fluff it up and mix it together that way versus a spoon, which might weigh it down and just make it more clumpy or mushy per se. So this is what it's going to look like once it's all mixed up. On this day, obviously it's not Thanksgiving yet. I'm definitely going to be making this again, but on this day we served it with a side of pork chops, and I can't tell you how delicious that combination is, the stuffing with the pork chops. So it was absolutely perfect. My husband was in heaven. He ate probably half this pot on this day. It's definitely something that we enjoy and make every Thanksgiving. So I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. I promise your family will love it. I just want to wish you happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, and don't eat too much. Bye.